Hi everyone, this is Yvonne with a super quick and easy tattoo rose tutorial. We're going to go ahead and start off with this tag dragon fruit and a petal sponge. We will also be using a number 3 round and of course our spritz bottle. First off, what we're going to do is grab our petal sponge and use the bottom of it, spritz it, and grab the first 3 colors that we have here, the orange, the hot pink, and the magenta. Swipe it, make sure that your sponge is loaded really nice, and then you're going to dab them on in a circular motion. This is going to create the base for our tattoo or graffiti roses, whatever you like to call it. And we're going to create 3 roses on this design to frame the eye nicely. So go ahead and place your 3 little rosebuds on there. Next step, we're going to go ahead and grab this one stroke cake by Tag in Snake, and we're going to grab a 1/2 inch flat protege brush, and we're going to go ahead and load it up with the 3 colors. Well, it's actually going to be all the colors, but not too much black. We're going to create some leaves. We're going to go ahead and start flat and then connect it to create that leaf. So flat, drag it out, and then flat, drag out, and connect. Again, reload. We're going to start flat, drag it out, then flat, drag it out and connect. One last one, and then connect it. For our next step, we're going to go ahead and grab a number 3 round brush. I don't know what name of this brush brand is, but I know it's a number 3. I like to test the paint to make sure it's not too runny. We're going to start off in the center and just drag from thin to thick to thin. And make sure your brush is loaded nicely, otherwise it's going to be kind of hard to drag on the lines there, which is what happened to me. But as I progressed here, it got a little bit better with the consistency. So thin to thick to thin is what you want to focus on these lines, okay? And then we're going to do it again the opposite side, thin to thick to thin. Don't be afraid to go back in and fill it in a little bit. It's okay. Thin to thick to thin to thick. Next one, start off a little squiggly in the middle, and then thin to thick to thin. Opposite way, thin to thick to thin, and finish it off. Then we're just going to outline our leaves here. Make sure you give the little indentations in the center of the leaf. You could add some glitter if you like, totally optional. If not, you could definitely be done. And we are. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to follow me on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, Funny Faces and More by Yvonne.